Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking at SQL Accounting stock group. So in SQL Accounting, stock group is actually first used to determine which account code will it hit when we sell or buy a particular item. So the other purpose of stock group is also to determine the different costing method. So in SQL Accounting, we have things like weighted average, we have first in first out. Alright. So to create a new stock group, all we just need to do is come into stock group here. We just press new. So let's say we want to create a stock group called prepaid cards. Prepaid cards. Alright. So for here we can actually set what is our costing method. So we either have a fixed costing, first in first out, or weighted average. So in this example we say we want first in first out. So then at the bottom here on the left hand side we can see the different sales codes that you can use. So from here we can come in and type sales, say prepaid. Alright. So if you realize we actually have one for sales code and one for cash sales code. So if you want to separate it, means for any invoices it goes to sales code, for any cash sales it can go to a different code. You can actually split it. So for this example we are still going to keep it at the same thing. Then if for return products as well, if you want to keep track of how much return products you have, you can actually have a return tag code for yourself. Alright, so that's a return. And if you do keep track of stock, we will also need to identify what stock group it belongs to. Okay, so do the same for purchases on the right hand side. We type here purchases, so prepaid, then here purchases again. So it can be the same account code, not a problem. Alright, and then here we put here return for prepaid. Alright, so once we're done, we just press save, and then now you can actually create your different stock items to link to this stock group. Alright, so then when a salesperson or procurement team make a purchase, they don't need to know what the account code is, they just need to select the item and it will be posted correctly. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to create different stock groups in SQL Accounting. Do like and subscribe to be notified when we release new guides. Thanks!